In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a simple yet incredibly useful feature, especially if you need to save or print just a portion of a PDF rather than the entire document. Making use of this tool can be a real time saver and help you organize your digital archives more efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to open the PDF document that you'd like to capture a snapshot from. Fire up Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, whichever you have installed on your Windows device, and carefully navigate to the file in question. A quick tip: if your file is in a commonly used folder, consider creating a shortcut on your desktop for quick access in the future. Now, with the PDF open, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the window. There you'll find what's commonly referred to as the hamburger menu, identifiable by its icon that consists of 3 stacked lines. Clicking this will present you with a variety of options. Once the menu has popped up, scroll through the list and select the option labeled Undo, Redo, and More. Don't worry if you see other features. Adobe Acrobat has a lot of tools, but for now, we're focusing on this specific option as it holds the tool we need. Now, after selecting Undo, Redo, and More, another menu appears where you'll find Take a Snapshot. Click on it with confidence to activate the snapshot function. With this feature now enabled, you'll notice that your cursor has changed to a crosshair or a small plus sign, signaling you're ready to select the area of the document you wish to capture. Next, simply click and drag your cursor around the section of the PDF you want to capture. This action creates a rectangle around the area, allowing you to define precisely what you want. Be mindful of what you include within this rectangle. Everything inside it will be captured in your snapshot, so make sure it frames the content you need perfectly. Once you've selected the area, release the mouse button. A notification should briefly appear, letting you know that the selected area has been copied to your clipboard. From here, the possibilities are vast. You can now paste this snapshot into another document, save it as an image file, or even insert it directly into an email. Each method depends on what suits your particular need at the moment. And there you have it, a straightforward way to capture snapshots of specific PDF sections using Adobe Acrobat Reader. With a touch of practice, this process will undoubtedly become a quick and handy part of your digital toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Happy snapping!